Yo, hello guys, and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to actually transpose data in Excel. So, as always, make sure that you have opened Microsoft Excel, and then from here, I will need you to go to a blank workbook or to your already project that you are working on currently. Now, let's go to a blank workbook, and let me just do that real quick. Here, for example, I will leave it empty. Here, for example, some different names. Let me find some names in my other sheets if I could find. So here, maybe I will find some names. Let me just go here, list, and here. Okay, here there's some names. So I will copy them and I will paste them right here. Now I will paste them somewhere in here. So paste text. All right, something like that. Looks good. So basically now I'm going to add, for example, for each one of these names, like some data below them. So for example, this one I will add here, I don't know, name, maybe. Maybe we can add here, let's remove this and add here name. Here we can add phone or hours. And I will make it look something around this, and I will add here some couple random numbers. So here, for example, 30, 30, 12, 10, 4, 7, 8, 9, 19, and 20. So let's say, for example, you wanted to try to transpose this data. So what you're gonna do is go, for example, to another sheet, and we're gonna do something like that. Transpose and trans let me just do that and do that. And basically what I'm going to do is select these. Let me select them. Okay. And now I will just go ahead and choose enter. So as you can see, it turned these information who were like that into something like that. So yeah guys, that's how you can actually use the transpose data option in Microsoft Excel. I hope you enjoyed it and thank you for watching.